For our first game today, we have Sticks. It's a game from Pakistan, and it's designed to use 5 or 6 wooden sticks. You can use pencils at home with maybe tennis balls or something like that to throw at it. I have used our little rhythm sticks or lummy sticks at school. If you have wooden dowels that are kind of short, that would also work. The smaller they are, the harder it is to do this. Another option, if you've got someone in the family that plays the drums, that would work. What I'm going to use today are the gator skin balls to throw for our demonstration. For our game, Sticks is played by taking the sticks that you are going to use, so 5 or 6 of them, and putting them in a circle. Now in Pakistan, traditionally they drew a circle in the dirt, and then they put the sticks in there. However, I have a square here on the floor that I'm going to use. You can do this inside works, outside might be better for this one if you can. But if you're playing inside, make sure whatever you're using, there's not going to be any problems. Maybe the garage would be a good spot for this if you have a garage. Now, we're going to work on throwing with this. The goal of the game is to knock all of the sticks out of your circle or square, whatever area you're playing with. We're throwing overhand. You could toss underhand. Either one is acceptable. Okay, first throw, I got 2 of them out. Okay, so second throw, I got all of them out. Now, I'm playing on a hard floor, so they rolled really easy. If you're playing this outside in the grass or dirt, it's going to be a little harder. If you're on carpet with this, it will also be a little harder. But you can try it as many times as you want. See what the fewest number of throws it takes for you to get them all out of the square is. Now remember, overhand, make a T, make an L, step, and throw. Or you can toss underhand, just swing it back, step forward, and release. I said before, throwing with a smaller ball is harder. But I'll go ahead and demonstrate with a smaller ball. And your other option is you can move further away. So if you want to be at least a couple steps back, but if you're better at throwing, maybe take another few steps back. Missed that one. Definitely harder with the smaller ball. Okay, so it took me 3 throws. I managed to knock them all out. Once again, smooth floor, bigger target, it is a little easier.